As we make our way towards the heart of the home, we encounter the furnace, tucked away in a quiet corner. Yet behind its sturdy facade, a villain lurks. An air filter, in dire need of attention. Dust and debris cling to its surface, impeding the flow of clean air. But fear not. The technician is armed with a brand new filter. They carefully slide it into place, ensuring a snug fit. With a satisfying click, the filter secures its position, ready to restore purity of the air. The furnace roars to life. The clean air circulates throughout the house. A renewed sense of freshness fills the air.